Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a drone using 3D printed parts and some of the parts that I had left over from my previous drone, which I don't fly anymore, so it was just sitting there. So I decided to design something new that I can mount onto this thing and make a drone out of it. So I made these 4 arms. And I'm going to be connecting those to like 4 points, and then we're going to hook up all the motors and see if this thing flies or not. But I don't know yet if this thing will take off. There might be a lot of vibration because these, like, to the feel, like these are very sturdy, but I don't know, like there might be some vibrations. We'll find out later on if this thing, like takes off or not, or how it behaves when it's up in the air. So we're just gonna start building this thing.